Fanagagama lo. And welcome to More Zion Music, the platform where we react to Zion music, ukucula, ukwawa. We criticize, we grow, we give feedback, we just let people know what's up. So, welcome guys. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Like my videos, guys. Please, when you're watching my stuff, like the videos, because the more you like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Wow, I look so clear, eh? Yeah. Anywho, make sure that you guys like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Share, and also don't be scared to give me suggestions. You know me, I have to try different churches before I recycle them again. So we are here, and we are back with another one. So today we are reacting to Bishop Gcina Masuku. Manje isonkonzo zakhe, um God praises of something. God praises. Yeah, God worshippers or God praisers of something somewhere lab. Um First things first, I didn't know ukuthi ubishop one. The last time ngambona Vuskama. That was years ago. That was years. And I've been asking myself, Uchi, him specifically, Ugu, but I didn't know his name. But I stumbled across his church now. Now he has his church. Stumbled across it last night. And I'm like, you know what? When I react to this one, because I know, no, Bishop can sing. Dude can sing. Dude can sing. No, Bishop can sing. So without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. I'm not sure. Oh, ingoma izinhlupheko. Ha! Asazi manje isiZulu. Anyway, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it.
Ngaphambili noma kayilethi ngicela ize bazalwane. Ngicela ne-trust ilunge. I-trust ayilunge nayo izongena after that.
Hi. No, again. This man's voice. Yo, yo, yo. You listen, you don't have to convince me. You don't have to say anything to me. No. Shit. Before I went far, I was like, this guy can sing. I know it's been years since come to, but I me tell you something, ne? I mean, I have high standard when it comes to this man. No, I am sorry. I am not expecting less of what I'm thinking about. I'm expecting to hear first part. I'm expecting to hear Itena, Ipek. Listen, this is Tina Masu we're talking about here. We're not talking about just anyone. Be sure. Sorry. So sorry for calling you my first name because I'm yo. Don't tell a Hmm. This guy, this man, yo, I can imagine. Go to a practice session. Not this man attends. This man is a perfectionist. This man, this man. Oh my goodness, this man knows what he wants, and I am so sorry for forgetting him. I am so sorry because ngimbona izolo ngamkhumbula ngathi even this man can say, yabona uye. I'm talking about best male voices of all time. This man, Mkak, Unzuza. Kunala baba lo shaya first part ku-Believers. I don't know his name. I don't know his name. Ushaya first party. Hleza shaya Chiscorp. Namanje ku-Believers asekhona. Him. Bese kuba na this other guy or leader waku-Believers lo bheka nentshebe so Chiscorp naye I don't know his name. Him. You see those five people for me are by far one of the best leaders we have ever in my time. Listen, that's the generation of people that I grew up to. Understand? Not the ones that I'm currently exposed to as I'm growing. You see, now it's coming from like being a child to a teenager. I'm talking about being a child to a teenager, not now as an adult. But like that space layer. Oh, na blessing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Number one, there is Itena. Like it's rare because Itena. Itena is wagana, ne. But I want you to know that Itena is more like the balance of everything. Happy first part is a move. Like on it's somewhere here. Yeah, yes. Hey. As if he's really out. This man will make me do a Cristiano celebration. Like, what? Did you hear that? Is standard again so for this man? It's because I've seen him put in the. That's it. Oh my God. Busy. Bathini Jesu lalela ukukhala kwethu ngezinhlupheko, lalela ukukhala zeinhlupheko zethu. Something there. The way they drag lalela ukukhala. That's, oh my God. Awukosami uBishop. Bishop Masuku. This 6 minutes is gonna be long. Ngayizwa bafethu le also like they are. Oh, Nkosi yami. Oh, Moyo Oyingcwele. Awu siyabonga Simakade. Hayi siyabonga. Akasibonga ukuthi usivusile namhlanje. Hey, baningi abavukile Nkosi yami. Baningi bafisa ukuvuka. Kodwa uNkulunkulu usiphile leli thuba leli. Sithi zonke uNkulunkulu izinto ezenzakalayo Moya Oyingcwele singadeli phambi kobuso bakho. Hayi. Yo. Ay. Wow. Yo. Yazi, angihleki. You know, there is a video I reacted to not so long ago. Ngiyalikhohlwa ibandla manje. Kodwa the song that they were singing boku Susubumnyama. And I said on that video, this is what the devil is fighting for. You see, music is the most powerful tool known to mankind. Music will always drive your perception of life. Not perspective, but your perception. Even in life, I'm appealing a perception, because if you live in a perception, you will just not live life, because now you're living based on what you think. But Mogi perception is what you are receiving. That is what channels your perspective. If your perception is bad, automatically perspective yakho is just what you receive is what drives your thinking. So if all you receive is just negativity, your perspective will be negativity. You'll always find negativity. But if positivity is what you receive, then your perspective becomes positivity, because now you see, like the Chinese proverb that says there is always an opportunity in crisis. That is what we mean, Masito, on a positive perception. Perception is ngigibela itaxi noma ngamazi udriver ngiyazi ngisafe. Perception is usicela uyadrive. Perspective yakho usicela uyadrive. Because why? Perspective drives on what you know, but perception is always you feel safe if someone is doing something, but you don't know that person. Most of us think that we know God, but asmas. So ngichaza ukuthini ngalokho ukuthi we feel safe if our perception is based on a person doing something or something that is happening that we don't know of. But our perspective says if I know someone, then sorry for that. I will cut it out. I will cut that. Yeah, I will blip it out. But our perspective says, yeah, I know God. So nyazu, they won't do it for me. That means your perception is bad. I hope you get what I'm saying. So ithi Jehova lalela ukukhala kwami izinhlupheka zingaqile yeah, that word zingigaqile yasokunyazisizulu yena makulo sisilo semuntu phela sicela kufanele kuhambe ufunda isilungu buka manje ngiyasokola. Can't even save myself when it comes to this, but anyway, inhlupheko zingizaqile they have everybody at chokehold ubithemba lami. A beautiful song sang by a beautiful church, hands down. Hands down. Listen, there is nothing I can say. Look. When it comes to this man, I can think so. Listen, this man knows what he's doing. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. And it's understand. And you know I'm lying. It's an understatement, Tibilan. It sounds like one person. It ngathi umuntu oyi-one. Akekho ushiya omunye sihe siyazwakala. Babantu bayazwakala. Gwele laphaya mara bayazwakala. Like man. uyayibona into engikhuluma ngayo. Mangithi kuwe siphethe i-first part that is alive. That's what we are talking about. That right there. Ngibona umuntu ane-voice mara akafuni ukuyisebenzisa. Ayithatha uNkulunkulu le voice. Kade ngiyamkhumbula ngithi lo bhuti lo u-DJ Alu. DJ Katu. Wathi musu kusibimbeke la. Hamba ulungisa indaba yakho ne-voice. This is what we're talking about. When you have it, use it. Use it. If you have it, use it. Ikhona ngithi. Ikhona. Use it. Mawufana nomkhuluma kakhulu. Use it. Use it. You guys, use. I know nibaningi nibukela ama-video ami. I can tell by the numbers. Nibaningi enikhonza emabandleni eningafuni ukucula. Nisile. uNkulunkulu akuthatha ukubeka endaweni uthi mntanami do it wena mina yeka lokho shona khona. You cannot. If God gave you something, use it. You don't know whose life you're gonna change, man. You don't know whose lives you're gonna change. Qala Ibeka on point. First part yabo on point. Isifutho sabo, I don't need to say anything about it. Itena yabo into him. Ibase yabo they have one of the lowest bases. Base yabo eras. It's not there. Aksabo because they are old school. They are old school too. So ibase yabo, that's why I'm old school. I'm a base. Ubo notice they're not too high. By mid range. Itena yabo is on point. Itena yabo we are used. It's carrying the song. Itena yabo, and they have one of the best leaders, vocalist, that's a Zion of all time. Bese kuba Alto Yabo is women in Zion will make you fall in love in Zion. Asivalentine. It's a dude. It's a guy. I thought it was a oh my god. And you know what I love about Bishop Gina? Bishop Gina will give you the platform. He will say Ngena, Tat, Bam. That's what we need in these days. We need people to give youth a chance. Stop riding a wave to a point where youth can't sing. That is why you look at the biggest churches at Zion. The youth is winning. That's why Aziz exists in the first place. I hope I said it right. Right? ATEZS. That's why it exists. That is why living is so good, because youth has a chance too. That is why because youth has a chance too. That's why you look at a blessing, you look at a river, you look at a trust, you look at the believers, you look at the crop. Yeah, there are people who are old there who are driving the force. But as soon as you groom these younger ones, you get it? If you don't get it, mina ngithi mom. I'm thinking it's a female. It's a guy. Yo.
Say
yekela. Hey, ayekela. You don't need to convince me. You don't need to say anything. Hayi uphekile ubaba. Phekile ubaba waphaka. Sosuthe manje. Hayi sesisuthe. Jo. Hey. Hayi bafethu. Kanjani? How is this possible? Like, how is it possible for human beings to sing like that? How is it possible ukuthi a person can generate such a pitch? You see, makuculwa, yabona mina, I'm one person who is transited by music. There are such, yabona mo understand ama vocal cords, and you know ukuthi ama vocal cord have minors, they have whatever you call them. Angazi abizwa ngani. Right? I'm a key or abantu ababhala music. We're talking about people that write music. Excuse me. So they construct ukuthi it tempo nan. Those people, they know about low E, about low I, about C, what, wara. Reason why certain songs and certain people, when they sing, the frequency abayikhiphayo, whether it's a beat, whether it's a voice, that frequency izoshaya some nerve emzimbeni. That's why kuthiwa into mayimnandi bathi uthola ama-goosebumps. It's because there is a nerve eshaywa yileyo frequency. So that voice or that beat ishaya a specific nerve kuwe ekenza ukuthi uthi Now we're not talking about people that pretend to say, oh, imnandi. We're talking about mayishaya let nerve to a point where you go like, hey, Bishop, that voice angazi ishaye yiphi nerve, kodwa ngizwe nje la ikhuphuka so here. That's why I kept on repeating that part. Ngishaya la makacula kuna something in my left side eshaya la ngasenhlizweni. You ought to be lying and I oh my God. Yeah. Give youth a chance, you'll see. Nizobon. Groom that kid. Groom that young lady. Groom them. Groom that young boy. Yena lo ufuna ukufutha. Mfake. Afuthi we-one. Mfake. You understand? Mfake. That young girl uzwa kahle ukuthi une-voice. Makaqale ku-alto. Nimsuse ku-alto nila kufanele aye khona. That young man one-voice mqalise ku-10. Abe no-confidence ususe ku-10 umbeke ku-lead. I know it's a lot of work, but groom the young ones. Groom the young ones. I don't want to talk bad, but there was a church engike ngakhonza kulo. Angazi ngihlubuke kanje empilweni yami. Lela bandla leya, there's nothing ebengiyenza that ever seemed was good ngaphandle of me just being a good person. Nje ukuthi I'm just a person or a sympathizer. And I know people from that church watch these videos. You try this, they have a problem with it. You try this, you are never enough. If that's you, boom, you're going to ibandla. Go to ibandla that's going to help you grow in whatever it is that oyenzayo ebandleni. If it's preaching, kumele kukhulise. Because njengoba ngishilo, ezayo ngiphiliswa izinto ezihlukahlukene. Khona abaphiliswa yizwi, khona abaphilisa ukukhuleka, khona abaphilisa ukukhulekela abantu, khona abaphiliswa umculo. Of the four, it all has its category and it all has its own people. And trust me, when you put the people in the places that they should be, oh my goodness. Uthola lezi zinto lezi esiceda ukuzilalela right now. Because why? People are in the right spaces. The space allows for people to grow. Yes, growth ayikho mnandi bafethu ibuhlungu, but get into that space. Dedicate yourself uzobona. I don't know. nathi kuze sifike la sikhona siloku sijayiva ngale zinto esizenzayo. So it's not nice. But you look at us now and then you go like, wow. And the same thing that happened to me, bad, even good, I transfer it. I don't want nothing bad happening to the younger ones. I want everything good. But to call understand ukuthi work has to be put in. That was phenomenal. That was phenomenal. I thought it was a woman can cheat. Wow. So you know what, guys? If you do like the content on this YouTube channel, it's simple. All you have to do, hit that subscribe button. Guys, like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. I don't understand then, logo. The more my videos can get around. And don't forget to comment. Give me suggestion. Good. I know. Pegalel, try this one and that one. So, yo, guys, in the favorite West of Jupiter, adios.